हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आप सभी का निरंकारी वीडियो चैनल में स्वागत है। इस लिंक में हम लोग किंगडम मोनेरा के अंतर्गत साइनो बैक्टीरिया या ब्लू ग्रीन एल्गी, नीले हरे शैवाल, शॉर्टकट में उसको हम बीजीए भी कहते हैं। तो हम लोग साइनो बैक्टीरिया के बारे में देखेंगे। साइनो बैक्टीरिया Cyanobacteria are gram-negative oxygenic photoautotrophs. Oxygenic photoautotrophs यानी ये ग्राम नेगेटिव होते हैं और ऑक्सीजन की सहायता से और प्रकाश की सहायता से ये अपने भोजन का निर्माण कर लेते हैं। Psychologists call them blue green algae। जो शैवाल वेद होते हैं उनको ब्लू ग्रीन एल्गी बोलते हैं। The term cyanobacteria was given to them by International Code of Bacterial Nomenclature. Cyanobacteria were the first living organism to perform oxygenic photosynthesis। यानी ये सबसे पहले ऐसे प्रिमिटिव ऑर्गेनिज्म हैं जिनमें फोटोसिंथेसिस होता है और फोटोसिंथेसिस की प्रक्रिया के दौरान ऑक्सीजन गैस का लाइब्रेशन होता है। डेवलपमेंट ऑफ एरोबिक फॉर्म्स बिकेम पॉसिबली ओनली आफ्टर इवोल्यूशन ऑफ साइनोबैक्टीरिया। नाउ वी विल डिस्क्राइब अबाउट कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ साइनोबैक्टीरिया। तो साइनोबैक्टीरिया आपके ग्राम नेगेटिव, जेनेटिक मटेरियल इज इन द फॉर्म ऑफ genetic material is in the form of naked DNA that is compacted to form nuclear body or nuclear body or nucleoid or genophore Protective mucilage occurs over the cell. Protective mucilage occurs over the cell. Cell wall is 3 to 4 layered. Cell wall is 3 to 4 layered. It contains peptidoglycan. It contains peptidoglycan in multicellular forms. In multicellular forms, protoplasmic bridges occur between protoplasmic bridges occur between adjacent cells through which cyanobacteria possess chromatic adaptation. That is faculty to change coloration. That is faculty to change coloration with the change in light quantity. With the change in light quantity. Flagella and cilia are absent. Flagella and cilia are absent. Cell protoplast is differentiated into cell protoplast is differentiated into two parts. Outer chromoplasm and inner centroplasm. An invagination of plasma lemma and invagination of plasma lemma called lamellosome is present. Chromoplasm contains thylakoids. Chromoplasm contains thylakoids. Thylakoids bear small structures. Thylakoids bears small structures called phycobilisomes. Photosynthetic pigment include chlorophyll A, chlorophyll A, carotenoid and phycobilins, carotenoids and phycobilins. Phycobilins occur inside phycobilins occur inside the phycobilisome. Phycobilisomes. Photosynthesis is oxygenic. Photosynthesis is oxygenic. Hydrogen donor is water. Hydrogen donor is water. Food reserve is cyanophycean starch. Food reserve is cyanophycean starch. Lipid globules and cyanophycin granules. Now we will see distribution of cyanobacteria. Distribution of cyanobacteria. Distribution of cyanobacteria. Cyanobacteria are most ubiquitous. Are most ubiquitous of all photoautotrophs. Being found in almost all habitats. Being found in almost all habitats, including steaming hot springs, underside of icebergs, iceberg, dry desert, and tree trunks trunks, wall of buildings, rocks, wall of building, rocks, moist soil, fresh water, moist soil, fresh water, sea water and salt marshes, sea waters and salt marshes. They may occur in blooms or provide coloration to their habitat. Thermophilic cyanobacteria occur in a neutral or alkaline hot spring. The ability to tolerate high temperature. The ability to tolerate high temperature is because of non-coagulation of their protein due to presence of their protein due to the presence of homopolar bonds. Because of their ability to tolerate adverse conditions. Because of their ability to tolerate adverse condition. Cyanobacteria are the first to colonize. Cyanobacteria are first to colonize barren areas. Cyanobacteria form association with all types of eukaryotes, protozoan, protist, sponges, ascidians, shrimps, mammals, brachyphites, worms, flowering plants. Many lichens are formed by an association between a fungus and a cyanobacterium, and this relationship is called symbiotic relationship. Cyanobacteria found in protists are often called cyanelles. Now we will see the morphology of cyanobacteria. Morphology of cyanobacteria. Cyanobacteria have three types of form. Unicellular, colonial and filamentous. Unicellular, colonial and filamentous. एक कोश के होते हैं, निवही होते हैं और तंतुवत होते हैं. यूनिसेलुलर cellular cyanobacteria. The body of cyanobacteria is formed of body of cyanobacteria is formed by a single cell. Example: Cyanococcus, and Cynocystis and Cynocystis. Colonial cyanobacteria. Colonial cyanobacteria. A number of unicells live together. A number of unicells live together to form an individual. ढेर सारे यूनिसेलुलर साइनोबैक्टीरिया ये मिल करके एक ऑर्गेनिज्म का निर्माण करते हैं. नंबर 3 इज filamentous. They are multicellular forms. They are multicellular forms in which cells are placed end to end. In which cells are placed end to end in a single file. In a single file. In cyanobacteria, the term trichome is used for multicellular thread, while the term filament is used for trichome and its covering sheath of mucilage. A filament may contain one to many trichome. Filament is spirally coiled in spirulina. It may be branched or unbranched. Further elaboration produces pseudoparenchymatous and parenchymatous form. A colony made of several filaments enclosed in a common sheath occurs in nostoc. Now we will see coloration in cyanobacteria. Coloration in cyanobacteria. Cyanobacteria are generally blue-green in coloration are generally blue-green in coloration. However, color varies from green, purplish, violet, brown to reddish, red pigmentation appears in deep water. Red pigmentation appears in deep water. Coloration is determined by abundance of two water soluble but protein linked pigment blue colored phycocyanin, and red colored phycoerythrin. Many bacteria show chromatic adaptation. Are change in pigmentation with change in wavelength of light. For example, oscillatoria. The latter is green in red light. Red in green light, and bluish green in yellow light, yellow light, and yellow in bluish green light. Yellow in bluish green light. The photoreceptor involved in this chromatic adaptation, the photoreceptor involved in this chromatic adaptation is called adaptochrome. Is called adaptochrome. Now we will see cellular structure of cyanobacteria. I will describe the cellular structure of cell bacteria in my next video link. So you are requested to wait for my next video link, and also requested, if my link is according to your aim, then surely subscribe, like, and share my video channel. My video channel link is Dr. YP Singh Nirankari. Thanks.